In this question, it is mentioned, consider a database that has a relational schema employee, EMP, and which having employee name, department, and second one is which having employee ID, employee name, and department name. And second schema, we have an instance of employee and SQL query are given below. These are the values which is given below. This is a complete one table. So I split here 1, 2, 3, 4 to 13. Okay. So what is the query? Select average EC dot number from EC where department name and number in. Select department number and department name and count as EC department name number from employee group by department name. Mean to say here we have to perform group by on department name. And what we have to find? We have to find group by department name, you can see from employee table, and you have to find employee ID and its count. Employee ID and its count, my dear. Employee ID and its count. So here you can see for a AA, what you are getting? 4 tuples. For a department name AA, department name AA, you are getting 4 tuples, my dear. Department name AA, you are getting 4 tuples. Next, you are grouping on AB department, which having 3 tuples. AB department having 3 tuples. After that, AC department having 3 tuples. AC department having 3 tuples. Next, AD department having 2 tuples. AD department having 2 tuples and AE department having only 1 tuple, my dear. AE department having only 1 tuple. This is the output of inner query, you can say. Here you are getting department number and count. This is the output of inner query. Hope so you are getting. This is output of inner query. Now what is the outer query is asking? The department number and number, department name and number in operator is used from EC. What we have to count? EC dot number. EC dot number. So my dear student, this table is known as EC. So we have to count EC dot number average. So how you count the average, my dear student? You can see 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 divided by 5. So you are getting 13 divided by 5. That is how much? 2.6 is the correct answer, my dear. So you can say 2.6 is the average. So here the output will be 2.6, my dear student. Hope so you get it. Thank you, everyone.